Hello and welcome back to Mr. Tap Powers teaches algebra. So just really quick, for literal equations, this is a technology one. How can we use technology to check our work on literal equations? Something like this. We solve this. If we did this by hand really quick, we would want to get A by itself. It says solve for A. Would be on this is get all my variables with A's on one side. So we'd hold on. Yeah, that's good enough. So minus BA minus BA, and we would get F equals GA minus BA, and then we would factor that A out. So we have A times G minus B. Okay, and last but not least, we still want to get A by itself, so we would divide both sides by G minus B to get our solution. Those cancel, and we have F would equal M at A. We got A by itself on the right. I'll put it on the left side. And on the left, we had F. G minus B. And there you go. So technology, well, could it do it also? Why not? Sure it could. So let's move this down, pop this in here, and see how we do this. So we have to give it a little bit more directions than just typing an equation. We got to tell it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 variables in there. So we say solve for, and you can see too, it's like, oh, we have examples here. This is exactly the type of thing we're doing. But we're solving for A. Solve for A, and our equation is, so comma, F plus BA equals GA. Hit enter, and F plus BA equals GA. Solve for A. All right, there it is. I had to retype it in for some reason, and I typed it in no spaces, but did it from scratch instead of clicking and changing things. No problem. And the solution I got, and this is very interesting, is negative F over B minus G. And this is correct, but so is what we got, which was F over G minus B. So it's good to talk about this. And these are equivalent. They're both correct because out of the bottom here, you could factor out a negative. And just so happens, and this is a nice little aside here, but anytime you have A minus B, or we already were using those, let's say X minus Y is the same as negative Y minus X. There. These are equivalent statements. So you could factor a negative out, move it towards the top or out in the front, and you could get that. You could get negative F, and then just switch. Instead of G minus B, it's B minus G, because that can do it. And that's something, when you're checking your work on literal equations like this, that we can very often write the solution in more than one way. And so it's good to recognize that these are both the same. So that's it. So thank you for watching, and until next time, enjoy doing math.